नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name MAD third sem. Subject name Curriculum Development and Comparative Education. Module name Curriculum Development. University name Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University. I welcome to all today in my class. Today discussing about curriculum development. What are the curriculum development steps overall discussing about today. Definition of curriculum development. Curriculum development is defined as planned, a purposeful, progressive and systematic process to create positive improvement in the educational system. Every time there are changes or developments happening around the world, the school curricula are affected. Phase first, planning. Identify issues, problems, need from curriculum development team, conduct needs assessment and analysis. State intended outcome, select content, design experimental method, produce curriculum product, test and revise curriculum. Helps in the selection of learning experiences. Curriculum development is needed for appropriate selection and organization of learning experiences. It helps in the selections of study matter and other activities so that learners are able to acquire goals and objectives of teaching. 6 steps of curriculum design. Step first, principles and purpose. Setting out the intent of your curriculum. Step 2, entitlement and enrichment. Developing your learners' entitlement. Step 3, breadth and balance. Developing the content of your curriculum. Step 4, teaching narrative. Planning and delivery of your curriculum. The curriculum development process takes information from a subject matter expert and through much interaction creates instruction. But how does information from an expert get translated into educational content that is effective for learners? It goes through 4 steps of design. In each step are important team members, including project managers, instructional designers, writers, copy editors, and subject matter experts. The team work together to create effective content. Let's have a look at the 4 steps in the curriculum. Which one is gathering information? The first step of the curriculum development process involves planning and determining who the learner is and what they need to get out of the material. The term begins by initially identifying what the scope is. Some examples of questions to ask at this stage are: who will take the course? What does the learner already know? What is their attitude toward subject? Instructional designers then work with the subject matter expert and obtain the necessary information by asking many questions. With information in hand and a clear idea of the audience, it takes a team to develop excellent curriculum. Each step involves collaboration and consent, irritations, the material, the team moves on to the second step, design. Next one is design. Now that the team has excreted the information and identified the learner, it is time to begin developing the content. Before designing the content, three needs to be clear objectives. Clear objectives include action words such as identify, modify, plan, and evaluate. Overall, fundamentals are justify in developing curriculum, philosophical, sociological, psychological, etc. As the instructional designers create the objectives, they carefully connect them to the content. The objectives are measurable, which ensures that learning outcomes can occur. The team examines the environment in which the content will be used. They ask questions such as, will the learners be accessing the material on their mobile phones or in a classroom? The team plans how to sequence the content and what delivery method to use. They perform research, search for appropriate materials, and decide what graphics to use. Next one is building the content. The third step of the curriculum development process is to build the content into a workable instructional unit. The team combines written material with newly created graphics and, if needed, animation. As the material is being built, there is constant communication between team members. Copy editors work to keep the content consistent by ensuring the work is in the correct style and lines with up the learning objectives. Instructional designers check that the material will lead to measurable outcomes. Multiple interactions occur as material is discussed between team members. Evaluation. The final step of the curriculum development process is evaluation. Although the material has gone through multiple interactions, it is evaluated once more. You could say that step 4 is present throughout each of the prior stage. Each team member from the beginning consistently evaluating the material. For example, the curriculum developer makes sure to match the learning objective against the material to ensure that the material will lead to measurable results. The project manager tracks all team members, challenges, and ensure that they incorporate all necessary edits and revisions. It takes a team to design excellent curriculum. Each step involves collaboration and consent interactions of the material. As a result of teamwork and dedication to the learner, it is possible to build curriculum that leads to desired learning outcomes. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Have you any query? Write in comment box We resolve your query. Thank you.